We had like 600 of these.
Yep.
So we're about down to 500 pieces in that amount of time, like 15 minutes. Check this out. Yahoo put together a really cool screen here. I'm going to jump into the item number. By the way, if you want to order this, it's 665566. But we have these really cool screenshots here. This is that watch that you're getting into. We were blowing that up on the big screen. But if you want to see some tight shots, and Danny was showing you kind of that angle where you can get into that depth and dimension, check this out, guys. You can see that disc configuration right now. That chronograph hand is moving on this. It's absolutely amazing. But this, I think, is record-breaking on the touch screen right now, because let me show you something. We can zoom in down here at the 6 o'clock position, but when I hit this again, we're talking about a chronograph variation. I'm just going to jump over to this other side real quick. Here you have a start and stop feature. Watch this. So you're going to see how this works. So if I hit that, it stops. The bottom function pusher resets that. So you can see that movement. That is that disc configuration. So starting that chronograph with that top function pusher, resetting that on that bottom function pusher, and that's giving you that really cool action that we've been talking about. If we go back to this screen, we can really start to blow up everything that you see. Here's those eyes that we were talking about. This is your second hand that's moving. Disc configuration right there. Here's your day of the week. So it's a day-date complication. It's everything that you want to get into. But now if we blow that up even more, that's his eye. And you're going to see this is where you're actually reading the day of the week, where we're talking about your second hand, where you actually have a pointer going down to that section. And then if we start to talk about the bracelet on this, first ever bracelet execution in the highly sought after Venom design, check this out right here. This is that bracelet in the gold, or in the green plating with that beautiful purple plating on this. Even on the back, you can see how intricate the design is on this timepiece, guys. Everything that has gone into this watch is all about reserve level quality.